Hello everyone, welcome to next lecture of Elective Econ 354. Course title is Agribusiness Management. In previous lecture, we studied about market concept, then 4 P's of marketing mix. Okay, that means we start the marketing management in agribusiness. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn about market segmentation. Okay, already you studied this market segmentation in marketing course. So market segmentation, first of all, definition of market segmentation. So this market segmentation is the process of grouping the customers into number of different divisions on the basis of similar characteristics is known as market segmentation. Okay, so segmentation, it means the dividation. So this market segmentation, in this market segmentation, the group of customers are divided into number of different division on the basis of similar characteristics. That means the customers having similar characteristics are grouped, or according to Phillips Kotler, the market segmentation, it is subdividing of market into the homogeneous subdivision of the customer. Okay, so it is the subdivision of market into homogeneous subdivision of customer is known as market segmentation. Okay, next one, that is role of market segmentation. Okay, so what this market segment help in the farm or the producer? So first one, it helps to understand the potential customer. Okay, so this market segmentation help to farm or producer to identify the potential customers according to which the production can take place. Then second one, pay proper attention to the particular areas. As the market segmentation, we know the potential customer. So according to this need of that particular potential customer, the producer or firm can make the proper attention to a particular areas. Next one, that is to formulate marketing program. So different marketing programs according to need of customer can be formulated or producer to formulate different marketing programs. Okay, next one, that is select the channel for distribution. That means according to customer or need of customer or demand of customer, the firm or producer can select the appropriate channel for distribution of product and services. Next role is understand the competition. Because of division of this market into different segments, the firm can understand the competition level in the market. Then use of marketing resources efficiently. That means whatever the use or whatever the resources of marketing are available, the firm or producer can use effectively these marketing resources. Then launch the promotion program. That means the producer of firm get the target group of customer, so it is easy for him to launch the promotional program to particular group or segment. Okay, then design marketing mix. So according to market segmentation, the producer of firm can design the marketing mix. Okay, these are the different role of marketing segmentation. Okay, after role of marketing segmentation, next point, that is merits of market segmentation. Okay, so there are different merits in that. First one, easy to identify the prospective buyer. Okay, so firm can identify the prospective buyer easily. Then easy to locate customer. That means according to different market segmentation or homogeneous group of customer, the firm can easily locate the customer, and according to that he can plan the future marketing strategies. Okay, next one, easy to assess the marketing opportunities. Okay, so due to the market segmentation, as homogeneous group is identified, so it is easy to assess the different opportunities in the marketing. Next, improve marketing efficiency. That means as the homogeneous consumer group is there, so firm or producer can use the different marketing resources efficiently, and it ultimately increase the marketing efficiency. Okay, next, ensure the high degree of customer satisfaction. As the homogeneous group of customer is there, so producer make the proper attention on production of or make the satisfaction of that particular customer group. So hence ensure the high degree of satisfaction. And last merit, that is identify the area of prospective buyer. Okay, these are the different merits of market segmentation. After merits of market segmentation, next point, that is methods of market segmentation. Okay, so there are major 4 methods of market segmentation which are used to divide the market into different homogeneous groups. So first one, that is geographic segmentation. Second one is demographic segmentation. Third one is psychographic, and fourth one, that is behavioral segmentation. Okay, so these 4 methods are used for market segmentation. We see one by one these 4 different methods of market segmentation. In that first one, that is geographical market segmentation. Okay, so this geographical market segmentation, that means the markets are divided into different groups according to geographical condition or the location. So these markets can be classified according to the location of that particular market or geographic place or condition of that particular market. So under geographic market segmentation, the markets are divided into village market, region market, country market, state market or international market. So according to location or the place, these markets are divided into village, region, country, state, international market, etc. Okay, this is the first method of market segmentation, that is geographic market segmentation. Okay, then second method, that is demographic market segmentation. So under this demographic market segmentation, the markets are subdivided into homogeneous group according to different demographic characteristics. Okay, so these demographic characteristics are age, gender, education, income, religion, family size, etc. So according to these different demographic characteristics, the markets are divided into different groups. That means the market, for example, the market according to age. So according to age, the markets are subdivided into the children group, then age 4 to 10 years. Likewise, according to age wise, these markets are subdivided. Then according to gender, it is divided into female gender and male gender. That means different products which are used by female genders and male genders. Such type of market segmentation is done on the basis of demography. Okay, then third type of market segmentation is psychographic market segmentation. Okay, psychographic market segmentation, that means markets are subdivided into different groups according to different psychological characteristics. Okay, so these psychological characteristics are social class, lifestyle, personality and culture. Okay, so these are the 4 key characteristics which are helpful in psychographic market segmentation. Okay, according to social class, lifestyle, personality and culture. And last method of market segmentation is behavioral market segmentation. Okay, so some behavioral characteristics which are used for the division of markets into the homogeneous group. So these behavioral characteristics are knowledge, behavior, attitude, action of that particular customer. So these are the different behavioral characteristics which are used while market segmentation. Okay, so these are the 4 methods of market segmentation. That means first one is geographical, second one is demographic, third one is psychographic and third one is behavioral market segmentation. Okay, so question may be asked on this topic, like explain the define the market segmentation and explain different methods of market segmentation along with merits, or explain the role of market segmentation. Such type of question may be asked, or objective type of question may be asked on this topic, like the according to psychographic characteristic the markets are divided into. Such type of question may be asked on this topic. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture, that is market segmentation. Okay, if you have any queries, then you can call me or contact me. Okay, thank you all.